Hi class, in this video we're going to continue talking about solving two-step equations, and in this case we're going to solve for two-step equations in the form x divided by a plus b equals to c, and in the form x divided by a minus b equals to c. So an example of one would be x divided by 3 plus 4 equals to 9. We want to use what we did in the last video, something called reverse BEDMAS, to isolate for x and then solve. So normally for order of operations for BEDMAS, we would solve for brackets first, then exponents, then division and multiplication, then addition and subtraction from left to right. However, if we reverse this, we get something called SAMDEV, in which we have subtraction and addition first, multiplication and division second, exponents third, and then brackets last. What we want to do is we want to follow the order for reverse BEDMAS or follow the order for SAMDEV, and slowly but surely isolate for x such that I only get x on one side. So right now x is being divided by 3 and it's getting added to 4. So because of SAMDEV, if I want to do subtraction and addition first, I want to first remove my plus 4. That should be my first step. So in this case, the opposite of plus 4 is minus 4. So I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. In this case, 4 minus 4 is 0 here, so I just am left with x divided by 3. And now 9 minus 4 is going to be 5. So I have x divided by 3 equals to 5. Now this just becomes a one-step equation. In this case, x is being divided by 3. So the opposite of dividing by 3 is multiplying by 3. So I'm going to multiply 3 to both sides. Upon doing so, I'm just going to get x on this side because 3 divided by 3 is just 1, and 1x is still just x. And now 5 times 3 is going to be equal to 15. So I'm going to get an answer of x equals to 15. Now if I want to check my work, so if I want to check work, I would just replace the answer I just got, which is x equals to 15, with x here in the equation. So instead of writing x divided by 3, I would write 15 divided by 3 plus 4. And if I get the answer to be 9, then I've done it correctly, right? So in this case, 15 divided by 3 is going to be 5. 5 plus 4, does that equal to 9? Absolutely. So that means x equals to 15 would work, and that's my answer for x. Okay, let's go over another example. In this case, I'm also going to use reverse BEDMAS, which is SAMDEV. So I want to undo subtraction and addition first. Since I'm minusing 2 from x, I want to get rid of it and do the opposite. I'm going to add 2 to both sides though. So whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. In this case, now I just have x divided by 4 on the left side. Now on the right side, I have 3 plus 2, which is going to be equal to 5. Now because x is being divided by 4, I'm going to times 4 to both sides. Now on the left side, I just have x. And on the right side, I have 5 times 4, which is going to be 20. So x equals to 20. Now for my last example here, I have x divided by 2 minus 6. So right now I can undo the dividing by 2 by timesing by 2 and undo the minus 6 by adding 6. However, because of reverse order of operations, SAMDEV, I always want to undo subtraction and addition first. So instead, I'm going to undo the minus 6 first by adding 6 to both sides. In this case, now I just have x divided by 2 on the left side. On the right side, I'm going to have 1 plus 6, which is going to be 7. Now I want to undo my dividing by 2 by doing the opposite and timesing by 2. Now on the left side, I just have x. On the right side, I'm going to have 7 times 2, which is 14. So x would equal to 14.